In this video, I am going to show you how to change Snapchat notification sound on Android. Customizing your Snapchat experience includes changing notification sounds to make alerts more distinctive. Although changing the notification sound for Snapchat on Android requires altering the default notification tone for your device, it can be done easily through your device's settings. So follow these steps to personalize your Snapchat notifications on Android. Unlock your Android device and navigate to the home screen. Locate the Settings app, usually represented by a gear icon, and tap to open it. Within the Settings menu, scroll down or search for Sound and Vibration and tap on it to access the sound settings. Within the Sound and Vibration menu, locate and tap the default notification sound. A list of available notification sounds will appear. Scroll through the list to find the desired notification sound for Snapchat. You can preview each sound by tapping on it, and alternatively, you can use a custom notification sound that you have downloaded on your Android device by selecting it from the list. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.